Hey, so you're browsing the internet, you see something that you're interested in, then you fill out a quick form for a quote. And then automatically a sales agent or a sales agent just calls you out of nowhere, immediately, almost as in seconds, right after you fill out the quote. Well, here's how they do it. If you're a small business owner and you're struggling to get in contact with the lead immediately, and you're probably perhaps competing with other service providers in your area, and you need a way to immediately get in contact with that lead, this is how we do it, okay? Hey, my name is Stephen Lessie. I help clients generate more revenue through implementing automation systems for their lead generation efforts. In this quick video, you'll learn the most important tool for being first to respond to any inquiry personally. Hey, so that tool is called Zapier. Zapier is a fantastic tool if you're looking to automate your lead generation efforts and to automatically get alerts. So this tool does a million different things, but for the topic of this video, let's just say that someone sends out a form and you want to get a text message or a phone call as soon as someone sends out gets in contact with you. So here's how you do it. The first thing you would do, you'll create a webhook, or if you're using a website form that already has a Zapier extension, you want to use that form. Then the next thing you want to do, you want to choose a SMS service. There's tons of them out there. This is a text message service that takes your form and then delivers a message through text message directly on your phone. So as soon as someone fills out your quote, your purchase order, or your inquiry form, you would immediately get a text and, most importantly, a phone number to contact that person immediately. So this is how it's done. You can set up, as you can see, you choose SMS. So the two main ones are going to be Twilio or Zapier. Those are the two best ones. You send out a text message, you choose the phone number that you want it sent to, and then right here, you get to show exactly what information you want present. So in this example, just a name, a phone number, and the details. So every time that someone fills out this form, I get a text message that says new quote from the person's name, at their phone number, and the details of that quote. And most importantly, I can click on this phone number and then call that customer immediately. All right. Hope you like this video. If you want help implementing this into your contact forms, send me an email at slessie@svlmarketing.com. Talk to you soon. Bye.